Afternoon, YouTubers. I have multiple projects going on today. Calcium and lime and rust remover. I put 2 cups in the carafe and water in the rest. That's got a lovely green urine-like color. We're gonna put it in here and run it through the system a few times. Some of these crafts don't pour very neat. Fire in the hole. And after you run it through half a dozen or more times, if the water doesn't go through there faster, it's time to throw the coffee pot out. I've salvaged a few pots like this, and the one I put in was the one I got at the thrift store recently. That was taking real slow, so that's probably why they sent it to the thrift store. But I got to try loading the other one up next to it. I'm going to use that same water because that acid's good for a lot of lime deposit removal. And if you use spring water, you get more mineral content in your water versus the chemical sludge out of the lakes. God bless the YouTubers.